The next one is your rule for dividing with the same base. Your rule for dividing with the same base is to subtract your exponents. If I wrote this out the long way, u to the 6th w over u to the 3rd w to the 4th, I'm really basically just canceling. So with my u's, I can cancel out 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Leaves me 3 of them left over, right? With my w's, I can only cancel out 1 of them. Leaves me those ones on the bottom. And so I end up with u to the 3rd over w to the 3rd. So basically what you're doing is you're subtracting the smaller one from the bigger one, and your variable stays where you had the bigger exponent. So if I have b squared over b to the 5th, when I reduce that down, I'm going to end up with b to the 3rd, and it's going to end up on the bottom of my fraction. Cancel it out there. And if I have a squared over a to the 3rd, if I reduce that down, I get an a down on the bottom of that fraction. What's on the top of my fraction? The 1, because this is really 1b squared, a squared on top, and so that 1 is up there. So I get 1 over b to the 3rd a. So number 5, you may have some coefficients that reduce. In this case, we just have that 3. That's not going anywhere. It's still there. And I would have, what for my x's?
X squared.
X squared would be on the top or the bottom of my fraction?
Top.
Top. So x squared on the top, 6 minus 4 is 2. And on my y's, I'll have a y on the top. What's on the bottom?
1.
There's really a 1, but we don't need it. So we just end up with 3x squared y. So when you divide, you subtract those exponents.